नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो, एस स्क्वेअर एम अकॅडमीमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. इन टुडेज व्हिडिओ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व सम एक्झाम्पल्स फ्रॉम चॅप्टर 3 सर्कल. इन this chapter we are going to solve some examples from practice set 3.4. Practice set 3.4. Question number first. In figure 3.56, in a circle with center O, length of chord AB is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the measure of each of the following. In this diagram, the length of chord AB ची length is equal to the radius of these circles we have given, and we have to find out the measure of following angles and arcs. Solution. In triangle AOB, side AO congruent side BO. In triangle AOB, side AO congruent side BO, because radii of same circle. We have given that length of chord AB is equal to the radius of the circles. Mean length of chord AB is equal to the length of radius of circles. Means a length of AB and length of AO and length of OB is same. Therefore, it is given in the example. Therefore, side AO congruent side BO congruent side AB. Means in the triangle AOB, side AO congruent side BO and congruent side AB. Therefore, triangle AOB means this triangle AOB is equilateral triangle, and you know angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Reason, angle of equilateral triangle means every angle of equilateral, measure of every angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Means equilateral triangle च्या प्रत्येक अँगलचे मेजरमेंट 60 डिग्री असतं. Now measure arc. In this way we have find out the angular measure of angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Now we have to find out angle ACB. Means here angle ACB. Measure arc. Now measure arc AB is equal to measure arc AOB. Means measure arc AB, this is the arc AB, is equal to measure angle AOB. Reason येईल याचं. The reason of this statement is corresponding arc of central angle. Means AB is the arc. AB is the arc and the corresponding central angle of arc AB is AOB. Measure of arc AB is equal to the measure of central angle AOB. Therefore corresponding arc of central angle means या ठिकाणी कंस AB चं माप हा जो सेंट्रल अँगल आहे AOB याच्या मापा इतकं असतं. Therefore corresponding arc of central angle, and you know measure angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Therefore measure arc AB is equal to also 60 degree. In this way, now we have to find out the measure of angle ACB. Measure angle ACB is equal to 1/2 into measure arc AB. Angle ACB is inscribed angle, and you know measure of inscribed angle is equal to the half of its intercepted arcs. Means angle ACB हा इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल आहे आणि कोणत्याही इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगलचं मेजरमेंट त्याच्या इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क मीन ABच्या हाफ असतं. देअरफॉर अँगल ACB इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू मेजर आर्क AB. याचं रिझन देता येईल आपल्याला इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल थेरम. देअरफॉर मेजर अँगल ACB इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू 60 डिग्री. यू नो measure arc AB is equal to 60 degree. Therefore if 60 is divided by 2, we get 30. Therefore measure angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Now we have to find out arc ACB. Arc ACB. Where is arc ACB? Here, arc ACB. Arc ACB. Major arc AB plus major arc ACB is equal to 360. मेजर आर्क ए बी हा कंस आर्क ए बी आणि आर्क ए सी बी म्हटलं की पूर्ण कंप्लीट सर्कल येईल, पूर्ण वर्तुळ येईल. आणि यू नो द मेजर ऑफ कंप्लीट सर्कल इज 360. देअरफॉर आर्क ए बी प्लस आर्क ए सी बी इज इक्वल टू 360. आणि यू नो मेजर आर्क AB is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, 60 degree plus major arc ACB is equal to 360. Now, major arc ACB is equal to 360 minus 60 and major arc ACB is equal to 300. In this way, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, arc AB is equal to 60 degree, angle ACB is equal to 30 degree, and arc ACB is equal to 300 degree. Now question number 2. In figure, quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic. Here is figure. In this figure, quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic. Side PQ congruent side RQ. Side PQ congruent side RQ means these two sides are congruent. Angle PSR is equal to 110. Angle PSR is equal to 110. Find measure of angle PQR. Measure of angle PQR. Here angle PQR. You know quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic quadrilateral. Means PQRS is cyclic quadrilateral. आणि आपल्याला माहीत आहे अपोजिट अँगल्स ऑफ सायक्लिक क्वाड्रिलॅटरल आर सप्लिमेंटरी. Means and measure of supplementary angle is sum of the measure of supplementary angle is 180. Therefore angle PSR and angle PQR plus 180. Now solution. Quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic. Therefore opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary means sum of two angle is 180. Therefore angle PSR plus angle PQR is equal to 180. Angle PSR and angle PQR are the opposite angles of this cyclic quadrilateral, and these two opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore sum of angle PSR and angle PQR is equal to 180. And we have measure of angle PSR is equal to 110 plus PQR is equal to 180. Angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 110. Therefore angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. In this way angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. Now we have to find out major arc PQR. PQR. Arc PQR. This is the arc PQR. Now we have to find out the measure of arc PQR. Now angle PSR is equal to 1/2 into measure arc PQR. Reason inscribed angle theorem. Angle PSR is inscribed angle, and you know by the theorem of inscribed angle, measure of angle PSR is equal to half of arc PQR. Means arc PQR is the intercepted arc of angle PSR. Therefore angle PSR is equal to 1/2 into measure arc PQR, and you know measure arc PQR is equal to 70 degree. Measure arc angle PQR is, we have given angle PQR is equal to 70 degree, and here we have to find out measure arc PQR, and we have the value of angle PSR. Therefore angle PSR is equal to 1/2 into measure arc PQR. PSR 110 110 is equal to 1 upon 2 into मेजर आर्क पी क्यू आर 1 upon 2 या साईडला आल्यानंतर 110 into 2 is equal to मेजर आर्क पी क्यू आर and 110 into 2 is equal to 220 degree. Therefore, major arc PQR is equal to 220 degree. Now we have to find out the value of major arc QR. Here arc QR, side PQ congruent side RQ given in triangle PQR, side PQ congruent side QR given. Therefore, chord PQ congruent chord RQ means this is the also chord of circle PQ and QR. PQ आणि QR ह्या दोन्हीही chord आहेत सर्कलच्या and these two sides are congruent. Therefore, these two chords are also congruent. Therefore, arc PQ congruent arc RQ, corresponding arc of congruent chords. करस्पॉन्डिंग आर्क ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट कॉर्ड्स मीन्स एखाद्या वर्तुळामध्ये जर दोन कॉर्ड जर कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतील तर त्याच्या रिलेटेड जे आर्क असतात ते काय असतात, कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतात. मीन्स इन दिस सर्कल पी क्यू अँड क्यू आर दीज टू कॉर्ड्स आर congruent. Therefore, arc PQ and arc QR also congruent. And you know major arc PQR is equal to 210. Therefore, let arc PQ is equal to arc RQ is equal to x. Now major arc PQ plus major arc RQ is equal to major arc PQR. Means major arc PQ, this is the arc PQ and arc QR. Adding these two arc we get major arc PQR. Here the major arc PQ is equal to x and RQ is equal to x. Therefore, x plus x is equal to 220. Therefore, 2x is equal to 220 and you know x is equal to 220 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 110. Therefore, major arc QR is equal to 110 degree. Now, we have to find out measure of angle PRQ. PRQ. Angle PRQ is inscribed angle and its intercepted arc is PQ. Measure of angle PQR is half of this arc. Therefore, measure angle PRQ is equal to 1 upon 2 measure arc PQ. Only here PQR झालेला या ठिकाणी PQ पाहिजे, ओनली PQ. Measure arc PRQ is equal to 1 upon 2 into measure arc PQ, because angle PRQ is inscribed angle and its intercepted arc is PQ. Means PRQ is equal to 1 upon 2 into measure arc PQ, and you know measure arc PQ is equal to 110. Therefore, measure angle PRQ is equal to 1 upon 2 into 110. Therefore, measure angle PRQ is equal to 55 degree. Now next question number 3. Quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. Angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 degree. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Find the measure of angle R and N. Here quadrilateral MRPN, and we have given value of angle R and angle N. Means angle R and angle N are opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, now solution. Quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. Therefore, angle R plus angle N is equal to 180. Reason, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. And you know the value of R and N we have given here. Therefore, 5x minus 13 degree plus 4x plus 4 degree is equal to 180. Adding 5x plus 4x is equal to 9x and minus 13 plus 4 we get minus 9 is equal to 180. 9x is equal to 180 degree plus 9. minus 9 इकडे आल्यानंतर plus 9. 9x is equal to 189. Therefore x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 degree. Therefore angle R is equal to 5x minus 13. 5 into the value of x is equal to 21. Therefore 5 into 21 is minus 30. Angle R is equal to 105 minus 30 and angle R is equal to 92 degree. Now angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Angle N is equal to 4 into 21 plus 4. X value 21. N is equal to 84 plus 4 and angle N is equal to 88 degree. Thanks for watching.